All right, that was the Deeds Car Wash, Bethel Park, Bethel Road location, Bay 1, LaserWash 360 original. And that was their $15 wash because the $18 wash is expensive. So, and plus my mom's car did not need that type of wash. So other than that, yeah, so next time I'll do Bay 2. The only concern I had with Bay 1 is the surface protectant light didn't work. And this is the same thing, but a long time ago, this used to be a Ryko Voyager APC with an Aqua Jet, but there was no Magic 1 Nexus or a Behringer Saber, but got replaced with this. And this was placed for sale until it got bought. and they reorganized this bay, which used to be a self-serve bay, but not anymore. And so now it's a on-the-night bay number 2. And so next time I'm going to do this one and get the $15 wash. And also, we also got Debug too as an option. So that being said, have a great week. Enjoy the last day of April 2023. And I will keep updated. And by the way, for those of you who want to know when I'm returning back to the Ryko Ultra Clean in Oysville on PA, just to keep subscribers updated, that car wash is, I'm not sure when I'm going to return back, because as of right now, it's not an option. So those of you who keep asking me if it's still in operation, please just stop it, okay? I'm sick of it, okay? It's just because it's annoying. Same question. All right, and so that's the only thing. I just need to let subscribers know. All right, so that's just one thing, and then we'll go from there. All right, have a good one.